And guys, good afternoon. My name is Yusuf, and I'm here to show you how to install CorelDRAW X7 on Windows 11. Firstly, you need to disable the Windows security. So virus and threat protection, and those manage settings. See that it's off already. Then close. And then let's start the installation. Now CorelDRAW X7, as you can see, and I'll click on setup to start the installation. It's now moving. The installation has started already. So let's wait for some while. Now click on this. Then the installation still continues fully now. Then click on the box, next, click on next. So that like note how the system serial number and go to try to put it. So let's click on this. Click on type icon. When you click on the type icon, it installs directly. But if you have some things to change from the installation, you can click on that to remove some software from it. But let's go back. Next, stop. The installation is still going on. So let's go back to the software and let's open the keygen to activate it after the installation. Here's the keygen. Then we select CorelDRAW X7 since that's what we're installing for now. But if you have other software products that you want to install, then you can select it to activate them. But now we are working on CorelDRAW X7. We copy the serial number. Let's copy. So when the installation is done, then we activate the CorelDRAW X7. It's almost done. So the installation is slightly complicated. Please just one remain. So let's look for the solutions to get completed. Then we move to the activation process. Now the installation is completed. Then click on finish.